Here's how to get people off your WhatsApp for good without the need to lock WhatsApp or lock messages. Everyone has that one person who is actually snooping on their WhatsApp or whom they suspect is snooping on their WhatsApp. So today, I'm going to show you a trick to ward them off. Follow these steps to trick them to believe that your WhatsApp isn't working with this message.
Unfortunately, WhatsApp has stopped.
And when they tap OK, it just takes them back to home screen. Here's how to do it. Go to Play Store and download App Lock with this icon. Open App Lock. Swipe to the App Lock tab and tap on Add icon at the bottom right corner. Search for WhatsApp or any other app you want to use it for and toggle it on. Then tap on the Add button again to add it to locked apps. Now here is where the magic happens. Tap Fake and that's it. Now how do you open your WhatsApp when the message displays? Simply long press on OK and voila, your WhatsApp is open. The cool thing about this trick is that they will never have the guts to ask you what happened to your WhatsApp because that would mean that they had trespassed. There are other cool stuff like keeping screen on for specific apps, observer that takes pictures of trespassers and more that you can do with App Lock. So feel free to ask me in the comment, share this video with others and follow for more tips like this.